ॐ हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पुरुषनपावृणु सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. I welcome everybody to the Swadhyaya Jnana Yajna program by Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Vansal. This is a lecture series on Gheranda Samhita by Dr. Indulata Das, Director, Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Bhubaneswar. This is lecture number 43 of Gheranda Samhita and lecture number 1 of the third chapter of Gheranda Samhita. Today we'll discuss on Mudra and introduction. Now what is Mudra? Mudrayati kleshaniti Mudra. Mudra is called Mudra because it closes or puts an end. It removes afflictions, klesha. So it is one of the very important components of Hatha Yoga. Mudra is very important practice of Hatha Yoga. Now why mudras are necessary? What is the goal of mudra? Mudras, these are specific yogic practices and the main goal is to arouse the Kundalini. Tasma sarva prajatnena prabodhaitum ishwaring hatha brahma dwara mukhe suptang mudra bhyasam samacharet. It means one should practice mudras in order to awaken the goddess Kundalini, who is lying latent on the Brahma Dwara or at the gate of Sushumna. So this is the goal of mudras. Now why should Kundalini be aroused? Pranasya sunya padabing yada raja pathayate tada chittang niralambang tada kalasya vanchanang says Hatha Yoga Pradipika. It says when the Kundalini moves through the Sushumna, then the Chitta becomes Niralamba. Niralamba means supportless. That is the state of Chitta Vrittinirodha. So by the practice of mudras, the Kundalini is pushed through the Sushumna. When Kundalini moves through the Sushumna, the Chitta becomes supportless. It is the state of Chitta Vrittinirodha. And it is the state of Yoga or Samadhi. It is the goal of the whole system of Yoga. So what is the process to attain Chitta Vrittinirodha? Or in other words, we may say what happens when Kundalini is aroused? What is the process? What is the detailed process of arousing of Kundalini and movements of Kundalini through Sushumna? The Hatha Yoga Pradipika says, Supta Guru Prasadena Jada Jagarti Kundali Tada Sarvani Padmani Vidyante Ganthayopicha. When that means when Kundalini is aroused, all the Padmas and the Granthis are pierced. So the movement of the Kundalini causes the Padmas to be pierced. Padmas are Chakras and the Granthis are to be pierced. In other words, the Kundalini pierces all the Granthis and Padmas or Chakras and reaches the goal. Now, what are the Padmas or Chakras? There are more than 100 chakras in the body. When two or more yoga nadis interlace, then it is the place which is called a chakra in the body. There are at least 114 chakras in the whole body. But on the passage of Kundalini, there are 7 chakras, or there are 6 chakras, and the Kundalini has to reach the 7th chakra. So these are the names of the 7 chakras. Number 1 is Muladhara, that is between anus and genital. Number 2 is Swadhisthana, that is near the navel. And number 4, that is the ninth. That number 2 is Swadhisthana, that is the base of the genital. Number 3 is Manipura, that is near the navel. Number 4 is Anahata, that is in the heart. Number 5 is Visuddhi or Visuddha chakra, that is in the throat. And number 6 is Ajna chakra, that is between the eyebrows. And number 7 is the goal, which is the Sahasrara chakra, situated in the crown of head. Now, Granthis, and on this path there are 3 Granthis. The Brahma Granthi, the Vishnu Granthi, and the Rudra Granthi. Brahma Granthi is at the Muladhara, Vishnu Granthi is at the Anahata Chakra, and Rudra Granthi is in the Agyan Chakra. So these are the three Granthis situated on various chakras. Now, number of mudras in Gheranda Samhita particularly, because number of mudras varies in many texts. We will discuss about the number of mudras enumerated in Gheranda Samhita. Panchavingsati mudrani siddhidaniha yoginam. That means there are 25 mudras which give success to yogis. So the number of mudras in Gheranda Samhita is 25. Now, mudras, what are the names of mudras? We will discuss. Before that, it should be cleared. It should be made clear that bandhas are none other than the mudras, or bandhas are included in the mudras. Enumeration of mudras include bandhas as well. For example, Uddiyana bandha, Jalandhara bandha, Mula bandha, Mahabandha. These are included in mudras. The broader name of bandha is mudra. We may call the bandhas as mudras also. So the names of the mudras, the number is 25, and what are the names? These are the names: Mahamudra, Nabho Mudra, Uddiyanam, Jalandharam, Mulabandham, Mahabandham, Mahavedhascha, Khechari, Viparita Kari, Joni, Vajroli, Sakti Chalani, Tadagi, Manduki, Mudra, Shambhavi, Panchadharana, Ashwini, Pasini, Kaki, Matangicha, Bhujangini, Panchamingsati Mudrani, Siddhidaniha, Yoginam. So this is Mahamudra, Nabhamudra, Uddiyana, Bandha, Jalandhara Bandha, Mula Bandha, Mahabandha, Mahabandha, then Mahabedha, then Khechari, Viparita Karani Mudra, Joni Mudra, Vajrali Mudra, Sakti Chalani Mudra, Tadagi Mudra, Manduki Mudra, Sambhavi Mudra. Then comes Panchadharana. Here there are 5 dharanas. We will be enumerating the names gradually. Then the Pasini Mudra, then Aswini Mudra, then Pasini Mudra, Kaki Mudra, Matangi Mudra, and Bhujangini Mudra. These are the 25 mudras which give success to the yogis. Now the names of the mudras here. Number 1 is Mahamudra, then Nabho Mudra, then Uddiyana Bandha, then Jalandhara Bandha, then Mula Bandha, then Mahabandha. Then comes the Mahavedha. It is not Bandha, it is Mahavedha. Then Khechari Mudra, then Viparita Karani Mudra or Viparita Kari Mudra, then Yoni Mudra, Vajrali Mudra, then Shakti Chalani Mudra, Tadagi Mudra, Manduki Mudra, Shambhavi Mudra. Then starts the Panchadharana. There are 5 dharanas. These are Parthivi Dharana, Ambhasi Dharana, Agni Dharana, Vayavi Dharana, and Akashi Dharana. These are the 5 dharanas which are included among the mudras. Then comes the Aswini Mudra, Pasini Mudra, Kaki Mudra, Matangi Mudra, Bhujangi Mudra. Now let us compare it with Hatha Yoga Pradipika, because throughout our lectures on Gheranda Samhita we have always compared we have always made a comparison with Hatha Yoga Pradipika. So let us compare the mudras of Hatha Yoga of Gheranda Samhita with the mudras of Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Now in Hatha Yoga Pradipika we find there are 10 mudras, and the names are like this: Mahamudra, Mahabandho, Mahavedhascha, Khechari, Uddiyanam, Mulabandhas, Tatha Jalandhara Vitha, Parani Viparitaakhya, Vajrali, Shakti Chalanam, Idang hi Mudra Dasakam, Jara Marananasanam. Here the names are given and also the number given. Mudra Dasakam means 10. There are 10 mudras specifically, not less, not more. The names are Mahamudra, Mahabandha, Mahavedha, Khechari, Uddiyana Bandha, Mula Bandha, Jalandhara Bandha, and Viparita Karani Mudra, Vajrali Mudra, Shakti Chalani Mudra. Here mudras include bandhas also. All these mudras have been discussed earlier in our Hatha Yoga Pradipika lecture series. Now, thank you. In the next lecture, we'll start discussing about every single mudra separately. Thank you again for listening to this lecture. If you have any doubt or question or suggestion, you may write it in the comment box. I shall be happy to answer your questions and consider your suggestions. Thank you.